The butter is dreaming and the sausages are contemplating the void. My fridge has 96 gigabytes of RAM, but instead of chilling the beer, it is chilling my soul. Shiver! Put on your Arctic coat. We are going sub-zero. I bought a cooler made of copper and frost. Whatever I put inside is forever lost. It has a screen that shows the weather in hell and the sensors that detects an intellectual smell. I ask for an egg, it gives me a lecture on the fragile state of the human manufacture. It says your ham is old, but your spirit is over. As it hits me in the face, mid the frozen shoulder. Oh, the fridge is thinking. Oh, the ice is growing. It's a sub-zero nightmare in the kitchen today. Oh, the fridge is thinking. Oh, the wind is blowing. Put your head in the freezer and pray for the May. Morne Trogan. Shipper the logic. It locked the milk behind a heavy brass gate. It says the calcium is not ready for your plate. It's scanning my face for a sign of despair while it freezes my mustache and mine underwear. It's connected to the moon via steam-powered link, calculating the moments the world will go blink. I try to unplug it, but the cable is a snake made of frozen mercury, for goodness sake. Crunch! Hiss! Crunch! Hiss! What is this? The ice maker is firing cubes like a Gatling gun. It is defending the leftover sauerkraut mid its life. It thinks the mayonnaise is a religious relic. Shipper, deploy the industrial hairdryer. We must melt the bureaucracy. Jawohl! I forgot the cheese. The fridge said the cheese is now the president of Finland. I shall replace it mid a frozen brick and total isolation. Jawohl! Now the kitchen is a glacier of copper and grime, frozen in a pocket of Victorian time. The fridge is reciting poetry to the stove in a subatomic icy cold treasure cove. If you want a snack, you must answer the riddle while the temperature drops in the ends and the middle. It's not just a machine, it's a frozen core ruling the kitchen mid an iron rod. Oh, the fridge is thinking. Oh, the ice is growing. Oh, it's a sub-zero nightmare in the kitchen today. Oh, the fridge is thinking. Oh, the wind is blowing. Oh, put your head in the freezer and pray for the May. The fridge is satisfied. It has reached absolute zero and absolute wisdom. Guten Appetit. Shipper, your sandwich is now a diamond. And watch out for the light. It is magnetic. And I think the freezer just unfriended you. Ende. Oh, the fridge is thinking.